Hello viewers, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Also, click on the bell icon so that you get the latest information about the videos that are uploaded. Hello students, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we are going to continue the ongoing chapter number 2, microorganisms, friends and foe. In today's session, we will discuss about the diseases caused by microorganisms in animals and plants. First of all, we will discuss about the disease-causing microorganisms in animals. Just like human beings, several microorganisms cause diseases in other animals such as cow, buffalo, sheep, goat and poultry, birds. Some of the examples of diseases caused in animals by the microorganisms are foot and mouth disease, anthrax and aspergillosis. See students, we are now familiar with the microbe and the diseases caused by them in human beings. Just like human beings, our domestic animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, poultry, birds, etc. are also affected by the microbes. Okay, so that means these microorganisms can cause diseases in these animals also. Some of the examples of diseases caused in animals are foot and mouth disease, anthrax and aspergillosis. See, we will see about this disease one by one. First one, foot and mouth disease of animals is caused by a virus. Thus, foot and mouth disease is a viral disease of animals. So, the foot and mouth disease is caused by a virus in animals. So, we can say that the causative microorganisms of foot and mouth disease is virus. So, which is the viral disease found in the animals? It is foot and mouth disease. The cattle suffering from this disease get blisters on feet and mouth. That is the symptom of the disease. What is that? The cattle suffering from the foot and mouth disease get blisters. Blisters means just like boils on the feet and mouth. So, it is a disease caused by virus. Number 2, anthrax. Anthrax is a dangerous disease of animals which is caused by a bacterium. So, thus, anthrax disease is a bacterial disease of animals. That is, causative microorganisms of anthrax disease is a bacterium known as Bacillus anthracis. See, the another disease caused by the microbes in animal is anthrax. It is caused by a bacterium. So, what we can say? The causative microorganism of anthrax disease is a bacterium known as Bacillus anthracis. So, we can say that anthrax is a bacterial disease of animals. See, the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax disease in animals, was discovered by Robert Koch in 1876. So, who discovered this bacterium known as Bacillus anthracis? It is discovered by the scientist Robert Koch in 1876. Number 3, aspergillosis. Aspergillosis is a disease of animals which is caused by a fungus. Thus, aspergillosis is a fungal disease of animals. The causative microorganism of aspergillosis is a fungus. So, we have seen that the fungus causes diseases in human beings. In the same way, the fungus can cause diseases in animals also. Aspergillosis is a fungal disease caused by the fungus in animals. So, which is the causative microorganism of aspergillosis in animals? It is a fungus, or we can say that aspergillosis is a fungal disease of animals. Now, we will learn about the disease-causing microorganisms in plants. Just like humans and other animals, microorganisms also cause diseases in plants. For example, several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. See students, we have learned about the disease causing microorganisms in humans and other animals. Just like them, the plants are also affected by the microbes. Our crop plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, etc. can be affected by the disease causing microbes. Some of the common plant diseases caused by the microorganisms are rust of wheat, citrus canker and yellow vein mosaic of bhindi. See, these are the few examples of diseases caused by microorganisms in plants, about which we will discuss one by one. First one, the plant disease called rust of wheat is caused by fungi. Thus, a causative microorganism of rust of wheat disease is fungus. So, the disease called rust of wheat in plants is caused by a fungus. So, what we can say? The causative microorganism of rust of wheat is fungus. The rust of wheat disease is transmitted through air and seeds. This means that the mode of transmission of the rust of wheat disease are air and seeds. The rust of wheat disease occurs in wheat plants. See, as the name indicates, the rust of wheat disease occurs in the wheat plants. And what is a causative organism? It is fungus. And what is the mode of transmission? These modes of transmission are air and seeds. That means this disease can spread through air and also through affected seeds. Okay. So, the rust of wheat disease are found in the wheat plants. Number 2, citrus canker. The plant disease called citrus canker is caused by bacteria. So, the causative microorganisms of citrus canker disease are bacteria. Okay, so another plant disease is citrus canker and it is caused by bacteria. Therefore, we can say that the causative microorganism of citrus canker are bacteria. The citrus canker disease is transmitted through air. This means that the mode of transmission of citrus canker disease of plants is air. So, how does the citrus canker disease spread? It is spreading through air. Therefore, the mode of transmission of citrus canker disease of plants is air. The citrus canker disease occurs in citrus trees such as lemon, lime, orange, etc. Here also, as the name indicates, the citrus canker occurs in the citrus trees. And you know which are the citrus trees. Lemon, orange, lime, all these are citrus trees. Number 3, yellow vein mosaic of bhindi. The plant disease called yellow vein mosaic of bhindi is caused by a virus. So, the causative microorganisms of this plant disease is virus. The yellow vein mosaic of bhindi disease is transmitted through insects. Thus, the mode of transmission of yellow vein mosaic of bhindi is insect. So, what we can say about this disease called yellow vein mosaic of bhindi? It is caused by virus. That is, the causative microorganism of this plant disease is virus. And it is transmitted through insects. That is, the mode of transmission of this plant disease called yellow vein mosaic of bhindi is insect. Now, let us see what is the effect of this disease on plants. The disease of plants caused by microorganisms reduce the yield and quality of various crops. That means, if a plant is affected by any kind of disease, then the yield obtained from that plant and also the quality of the crops are affected or reduced. The plant diseases can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the disease causing microorganisms. See, these diseases must be controlled, then only we will get the good crops. So for that we can use certain chemicals that will kill the disease causing microorganisms. They are known as pesticides and insecticides. So students, I hope you have understood the topics very well. But still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will surely try to solve it as early as possible. Here are some review questions. Please solve it in your notebook. Thank you.